Hello everyone, how are you? So this is second time I am creating this video again, but this video is over the video that I have already created because previously the sound was not recorded. Uh, I don't know what is the reason behind it, but yeah, again I am starting this and this video has been already recorded, so you will see the displays that I have recorded previously, and here I will just do the voice over. Okay, so this is project related to data pipeline that I have created using the Google Cloud platform. Here what I preferably do is like created a portal where a person can upload a CSV or Excel file, and that Excel file or CSV file will get converted into CSV file only, and it will get updated into the Google Cloud bucket that we will create. After that what we will do, we'll make a before that we will make a cloud function so that whenever a file is uploaded, table is created in BigQuery so that we can use it for analytics purpose like making dashboards and all. Okay, so let's start it. I'm running the recording and in middle I will describe whatever steps I am doing. So yeah, firstly I will create a bucket for the storage. So let's create the bucket over here first. I'm sorry. Yeah, you can see that. So basically here you can see we are creating a bucket. So we will provide a bucket name data upload and create it. We don't need to put anything else. So confirm it. So yeah, after this bucket is created, we'll go to the VS Studio code where I have written the Flask code to make the portal. Basically, this code has been copied from the ChatGPT, and here we have provided the bucket name as well so that it goes to this bucket that we have created in GCP. So we have to first run it over here so that our portal can be live. So this is code basically. So let's run it and we'll run that. But in first time what I did, I mistakenly uh, copied, but it was not copied, so I had to copy it again. But while copying I pasted it over here, so it was not running, it was throwing error. So after that what I did, I again ran that code and again pasted, and after that it was working. So now again I have ran that code and now you can see that it is working. So here I have uploaded a file. I'll upload a file, but before, this was a mistake because we should first create a cloud function and then upload the file because we want to have a logs so that whenever a file is uploaded. So before this we are creating the cloud function, and the code for the cloud function I already had, so I'll show it to you. Yeah, this cloud function doc. So here this is code. It is like simple. It will fetch the events and bucket names from the event logs, and below we have written a code to create a sales data table in BigQuery. So this is simple. It is like a trigger based creation of the table on BigQuery. Okay. So here you can see that we are converting the Excel file into CSV because in Google Cloud I don't know why, but we were not able to use the Excel format over this part. So I have to convert that Excel file into CSV beforehand. So after that we are creating the function name, and we will in trigger type we will use the in trigger type we will use Google Cloud, that is storage, because we want to trigger when the something hits into the storage part. Yeah. So we created. Now after that we will go to the this and choose the runtime as Python. So over here we will paste the code that we have already written. So just paste it. In requirements we need to paste the Google Cloud BigQuery so that it can help in creation of the BigQuery part. So let's put it. Yeah, this has been pasted. Now we'll go to the next step, and as I have already tested the this function, so I am not going to test and directly going to deploy it. So let's deploy, and it will take few minutes to build this and get into. So let's wait, just fast forwarding it. Yeah. So whenever something is pushed into the port, we can see it in logs. So I am uploading the Boston sales data in the portal. Let's upload it. So in bucket also you can see that data has been uploaded. In logs we can see after refreshing that data has got uploaded. So here you can see the bucket name, event type and event ID for that particular upload. But here what happened, we did a mistake that we didn't create this BigQuery's data set beforehand, because in our cloud function we have listed that in sales data set we need to create the sales data table. So now again I'm starting with that part, and we will re-upload the data so that we can see the number of records uploaded in our table. So here I have created the sales dataset. Now I'm deleting this part Boston data from here, and again we'll upload. So let's upload it. Got uploaded. Now we will be able to see how many rows were inserted that we have written code in our cloud function. Yeah. So yeah, here we can see that bucket name, event type, event ID, and at last you will be able to see that 19,934 records has been loaded. So that part, and it is loaded into sales data. So sales data table is created through our cloud function. We haven't created that in our sales data set before. So now we'll go to the sales data part. Here we will check the columns and types, and also check whether our records are present or not. Here, so in new tab I'll choose and run the query so that we can fetch the records. Here we can do the manipulation part as per the requirement, but currently this is mini project, small project, so I'm not doing much of it, and we'll directly go into the local studio, and there we will load this dataset and table and create a simple dashboard. I will also, so let's go to the local studio. Yeah, here whenever the it is created we will be to choose the BigQuery. From BigQuery, we will choose our project, that is Hive project 1, and from there we will choose the dataset and table name and add it to the report. After that, we will create a simple dashboard. But here I am not going to show the full-fledged dashboard as it is project, and here we can work more and create a beautiful dashboard related to it as per the requirement and analytics. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye.